Berkshire Hathaway, that's New York Stock Exchange ticker, BRK, announces record first quarter earnings, appoints Abel as successor to Buffett. The year-to-date gain exceeds 13%. Berkshire Hathaway is a colossal conglomerate headquartered in Omaha, Nebraska. Led by Warren Buffett and the late Charlie Munger, it owns a wide range of businesses in industries like insurance, railroads, energy, manufacturing, and retail. Some of Berkshire Hathaway's famous subsidiaries include GEICO, Duracell, Dairy Queen, and Fruit of the Loom. Berkshire Hathaway holds significant stakes in public companies such as Apple, American Express, Bank of America, and Coca-Cola. On May 4, 2024, Berkshire Hathaway Inc. reported stellar first quarter earnings and a substantial increase in its cash holdings. Berkshire Hathaway reported a remarkable 39% surge in operating earnings, reaching an impressive $11.22 billion in the first quarter of 2024. This significant growth was primarily driven by strong insurance and investment income gains, marking a substantial increase from the previous year's figure of $8.065 billion. The conglomerate's cash reserves also hit a record high of $188.99 billion, signaling robust financial health and strategic flexibility. At Berkshire Hathaway's annual gathering on Saturday, Warren Buffett named Vice Chairman of Non-Insurance Operations, Abel, as the Berkshire CEO's successor, stating that investors don't have too long to wait for the succession plan to unfold. In a move that caught the attention of investors, Berkshire Hathaway trimmed its stake in Apple Inc. by 13% during the first quarter. However, the iPhone maker remained Berkshire's largest stock holding, with a value of $135.4 billion, implying around 790 million shares. When asked about the rationale behind the stake reduction, Buffett suggested it was partly due to tax reasons following significant gains on the investment. BRKB shares saw a 1.01% on Monday, May 6th, closing at $404.92 per share. The stock has seen a 25.22% growth over the past year. With a strong cash reserve, favorable analyst ratings, and a keen eye on renewable energy and international opportunities, Berkshire Hathaway continues reinforcing its status as a formidable force in the investment landscape. Before we end the video, make sure you smash the like button, drop a comment with your thoughts in the discussion box below, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Thank you for watching this featured presentation on Berkshire Hathaway by DexWire News. We'll see you in the next video.